I liked my F-150, but I didn't love it, so I changed everything that bothered me, and this is how it turned out. If you all have questions about the mods I've added to my Ford F-150, everything will be in the description down below. First thing I didn't like about my F-150 was the exterior styling. Here's how I fixed that. We got the black and gray Ford logos on the front and back instead of the blue standard Ford logo. Black F-150 decal. Also added black mirror caps instead of this plastic looking material. It is now gloss black, as well as tinted turn signals. And then I got rid of all the chrome and blacked out my logos. I also got rid of the tall antenna for this short black antenna. I also tinted my front windows to match the back, giving it that blacked out look. The second thing I didn't like about my F-150 was the stance. So how did I fix that? I got put a 2-inch rough country level kit in the front, just your standard puck. You guys can kind of see it there, just to give me, get rid of some of that rake you see on these F-150s. And you'll also notice I upgraded my wheel and tires to help with the stance, but also to fix the grip issue. I had BF Goodrich KO2s, upgraded to the Falcon Wild Peak AT4s. So I went from 265, 70 R18s to 285, 75 R17s. Love the 17-inch wheels. Also got the Ultra Hunters in this gloss black. 17x9, 18 offset, looks awesome. Have a little bit more poke than stock. And I love the black wheels against this carbonized gray Ford, and it goes great with all the black logos. Gives it a really mean look. So I improved my grip, got rid of my rake, and also created a wider stance for my truck, which looks better. So another thing I did not like about my F-150 was the interior styling. Lots of just muted gray colors. So what I did is, you'll notice I added all these carbon fiber pieces along the trim, on the steering wheel, even on the shifting knob and this center console here. And you'll see it continues to the climate controls and even around my screen. The other thing I did was I popped out all this trim and painted it black. You'll see this piece here. These were chrome. I popped those out and painted them. And then this big piece here, you'll see I painted all black. Originally, it was that gray color. I think this looks better, especially against the carbon fiber. So that's one thing I did to make the interior feel a little bit more luxurious. One other small feature is I upgraded the tech in this truck with this Wolfbox G850 Pro rear view camera. You'll notice it has the front dash camera, the back rear camera. It's 4K in the front, 1080p in the back. I opted for the mid-level rear view camera from Wolfbox. You can get a G900, which I think has 4K in the front and 2.5K in the back. I thought I'd start with this. I've never had a camera like this. You can move it up and down. Super nice. And then I actually mounted my rear camera on the inside and ran the wire along the top here. And then I just plugged it into my 12 volt right here. It's nice. It also comes with a USB charger, so you don't lose charging capability from this port. Not only does this add to the feel of the truck, but also the practicality. I went from a 10-inch rear view mirror to this is a 12-inch. My view is so much better out the back. As you can see, I have 2 car seats that kind of obscure my view. Now with this, it's completely free. Other than that, the tech is not bad in this truck. I have the large infotainment screen, no 360 camera, but I have a backup camera that takes up this whole screen, and then the semi-digital gauge cluster, which is what I prefer. My last complaint about this truck was the sound. I have the 2.7 liter Ecoboost in this truck. Obviously, it does not sound the best. To fix that, I added, I'll see if I can get a shot of it here. This doesn't help with the sound, but the look, I added this black exhaust tip. Flowmaster Super Tune muffler. We'll listen to this thing. Probably one of my favorite mods and first mods I did to this truck. And to be honest, it kind of makes this truck sound like the high output 3.5 liter in the Raptors. Not quite as refined, but very similar in my opinion. Still to come, Bilstein 5100 shocks in the front and rear to improve ride quality with these new wheels and tires. Lighting will be a focus. Taillights, third brake light, headlight, fog lights. To continue with lighting, I did have a run-in with an owl the other day, so my grill is busted. Probably replace this grill and either add an LED light bar up top or get the Raptor amber lights to go along with the amber fog lights I'm gonna get. Another mod, simple mod that's on order. Floor mats. These are the factory Ford F-150 mats. They don't cover a whole lot, so I do have some last fit liners coming for the front and back. Should add to the interior look and protection of the carpet as well. So that does it for my F-150 mods. I really like this truck, obviously that's why I bought it. I'm taking it to the next level. I've fallen in love with it after adding the wheels and tires last week. Let's see where we can take this thing. Stay tuned for more videos of this truck on the channel. As always, I appreciate you watching. We're getting ready to review a Raptor R, so that will be fun. Can't wait to drive that thing. As always, thank you. We'll see you on the next one.